Hello guys, today I will show you how to make black and white out to frame effect in Canva. Let's get started. First, I have an image, so I go to Upload and add the image, then I need to set its size. Click on Edit Image, go to Adjust, set temperature to 46, tint to 36, brightness to 97, shadows to 56, highlights to 43, saturation to 60, and clarity to 62. Go to the effect and click on Blur, apply it to the whole image, and set the intensity to 32. Then, you need to add the second image and set it equal to the other image. Next, you need to reduce the image slightly from the side, the bottom, the left side, and the top to make the image smaller in this way. Then, you need to click on the second image, go to the border line option, set the first line to 15, then go to the border color and select white. Next, you need to add the third image. Next, you need to enlarge the size of the image, then go to Edit Image and click on BG Remove to remove the background of the image. And you need to reduce the image from the bottom. This was our image. So, how did you like this image? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and click the bell icon.